So welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to pick up this Fiat 500. I want it in Copart Sandy, so it's not too far from me. It's a Cat S. As you can see, that's the wing damage it's got there. It's got a bit of damage on the bonnet, and then I think the corner of that bumper probably wants painting. But apart from that, it's a really nice mint little car. One key. So it's one previous owner. 44,000 miles. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll see me, what you see in this video, you'll see me priming it, you'll see me filling it, you'll see me repairing the bonnet and then painting it. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. Alright, so we're on our way to Copart. Literally just pulled up. Actually need to sign in actually. Need to show that email to the gate marshal as well. So start with the good side first. Look at that. Can't see many dinks or you see any many? No.
Not much.
It's a supermarket dent, isn't it? See you later. So got on that rear quarter there. And then that's literally all the damages. Wing. Corner of that bumper just wants painting. Yeah, just a little stuff there.
Smart area again, but we didn't drop that anyway.
Yeah. Just caught that top of the bonnet on there, so that won't painting. Yeah, the Cat S at that. I cannot see what's going to be structural about that whatsoever. But so it looks like it's had 4 new tyres put on it recently. So I've looked at who's got any service history or paperwork. No, not that I can see.
Should have 2 keys.
No, 1 key. No service history in this one.
Unlucky.
Oh, the other ones we've been lucky with so far, haven't we? So it's quite clean actually, isn't it?
Yeah, haven't looked at the boot yet. Where's the boot look?
There's a key in it. Spare wheel, jack.
Alright, yeah, it's nice.
It's clean. Has he got a panel? Nah, I ain't got a panel on it. What?
The other one.
Yeah. Right, we'll set it up. Oops, foot down the back.
I'll give 9 gigs.
Sounds alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's got the city steering.
It's got quite a bit in it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
That's alright.
Well, what do you think of that?
It's alright.
It's alright. It's not a lot of damage on it, is it?
No, it's not any damage. It's not like the model is not as
high spec as the other one.
as the other one, but then
So Fiat 500's in the paint shop. All I've got to do is just take that wing off. Comes off pretty simple, I'm pretty sure. Jacked it up, taking the hubcap off. And then so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a wing from my panel bloke and then just paint it and put it on. Right, okay, so I've taken the wing off. So I folded it into a nice little ball, so it's easy to put in the skip. But yeah, taking the wing off, it was a couple bolts and then sealer. Right, okay, so it's Friday and we're in the workshop. The Fiat 500 wings in primer, ready to be painted. The bonnet's just been taken off the Fiat 500, ready to be painted as well. There's under repair in that corner. And then also a repair on just the corner of this bumper as well. So yeah. It's 4:30 and the day is over. We've got the corner of the Fiat 500 painted, the bonnet painted and the wing painted as well. It's all come up quite well actually. Considering that how caved in the corner of that bonnet was. That's been pinned out and filled and that's come out really nice actually. But yeah, I would say that I'd put it all back together and it'd be ready for Monday morning, but the football's on Monday, so it'll probably be Tuesday. But yeah, literally just need to get the Fiesta done now, and that's all the cars we have actually at the moment done. The white Corsa is sold, I've sold it to my cousin. There's absolutely paying it down. Jesus. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's absolutely started paying it down. Oh, it actually is hailstones as well, look at that. Right, okay, so bad timing because it's just about to start raining, but the Fiat 500 is now complete. I've just given it a good wash, give it a hoover out inside. I've gone over it with a wash and wax I use and an iron out. I just use a brush and a bucket. I've got a grip guard on the bottom of there as well, just to be extra fancy. But I've also ordered a G101, which a subscriber put on a comment last time, so I'll give that a review when I next wash a car with that. But yeah, she's all completed now. This car is actually going to be up for sale as soon as the logbook comes back. It's done 44,000 miles. I've got both keys with it. Well, I've only got one key with it from Copart, but I'm going to get another key cut for it. I'll have a look. I don't think I've got any service history with it, but again, I'll have a look. But yeah, it's going to be up for sale. It's a really nice car. There's not a mark on it. The only tiny little mark that I can see on it is it's pushed in a little bit there. And me and my dad did see that mark, but we thought for you know, a nearly 8-year-old car, would leave it, because that's the only mark that's on it, the whole thing. So for the asking price, this is going to be 3,500. I have looked on Auto Trader and Facebook Marketplace. With this mileage and this year, they're all going up from five sort of upwards. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a bit of a long video, but I think some of you like it, the long ones, because my most viewed video is a 20-minute one. So I think this might be getting on to sort of 20-25 minutes. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.